Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and top-notch product recommendations. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you: the best spider nail stickers available in the market. Get ready to elevate your nail game with the IDDFEVE 30 Sheets 8 Holiday Nail Art Stickers. Let's dive right in. If you're someone who loves to experiment with nail art and wants to keep your nails festive all year round, then this product is an absolute must-have. With 30 sheets featuring 8 holiday themes, including Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and more, you'll never run out of options to express your style and celebrate every occasion in style. Now, let's talk about why these nail stickers stand out from the rest. With designs ranging from pumpkins to snowflakes, hearts to 4-leaf clovers, and even vibrant carnival motifs, you'll have everything you need to create stunning nail art for every season and holiday. You'll receive a whopping 30 sheets of premium nail stickers, perfect for sharing the joy with friends or indulging in your own creative nail adventures. Say goodbye to complicated nail art techniques. These self-adhesive nail decals are incredibly easy to use. Just peel, stick, and seal with a top coat for long-lasting wear. Made of environmentally friendly material, these nail stickers are non-toxic and water-resistant, ensuring your nails stay glossy and vibrant. Not just for nails. These versatile stickers can also be used to decorate your phone case, gift cards, photo frames, or even as body art. The possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a nail art enthusiast looking to level up your manicure game or searching for the perfect gift for your loved ones, the IDDFEVE 30 Sheets 8 Holiday Nail Art Stickers have got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unleash your creativity and express yourself through stunning nail designs. Get yours today and let your nails do the talking. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy styling!